Welcome student, this is your civics class 8, chapter 2. Today we will discuss question answer of this chapter. Question number 1. List the different types of religious practice that you find in your neighborhood. This could be different form of prayer, worship of different gods, sacred sites, different kinds of religious music and singing, etc. Does this indicate freedom of religion practice? Answer. The different types of religious practice that we can see in our neighborhood are as follows. Hindu visit temple, they perform puja and worship the idols of their gods and goddess. Muslim visit mosque and worship their sacred book, the Quran. They offer nawaz. Sikh visit Gurudwara, worship their sacred book Guru Granth Sahib by offering prayers and listening to Sabbath Kirtan. Christian visits church and worship Jesus Christ. Yes, this indicates freedom of religious practice as the people in India have the freedom to practice the religion of their choice while living together in peace and harmony. Question number 2. Will the government intervene if some religious group says that their religion allow them to practice infanticide? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Yes, government will definitely intervene if some religious groups say that their religion allow them to practice infanticide. Infanticide involves the killing of an infant, a small child, which is clearly a cruel crime. This practice violates the human right to life, as also it creates a threat to social harmony. Question number 3. Complete the following table. Answer. One religious community does not dominate another. Why is it important? This is important for maintaining harmony in the country. Example of a violation of this object: the Gujarat riot in 2002 against Muslims. The state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. This is important to uphold the ideas of a democratic nation, which gives its citizens freedom to follow any religion of their choices. France government banning the Muslim headscarves and Sikh turbans in public places. That some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. This is important to establish the sense of equality in a society. Dalit being looked down upon by the upper class caste Hindu. Question number 4. Look up the annual calendar of holiday of your school. How many of these pertain to different religions? What does this indicate? Answer. The annual calendar of our school marks several holidays that pertain to different religions. Various festivals for which holiday are celebrated, declared and mentioned below. Hindu festival Diwali, Holi, Dasera, Shivratri, Ramnavami. Muslim festival Eid-ul-Zuha, Eid-ul-Fitr, Muharram. Sikh festival Guru Nanak Jayanti, Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti, Vaisakhi, Lohri. Christian festival Christmas, Good Friday. This clearly proves that India is a secular country and here all the religions are fully respected. Question number 5. Find out some example of different views within the same religion. Answer. Many religions in our country are further divided into groups and communities that hold opinion different from each other. Some examples of such groups and communities existing within the same religion are given below. Muslims are divided into Shias and Sunni. Jain are divided into Shvetambara and Digambara. Buddhist followers are divided into Mahayana and Hinayana. In Hindu religion also there are hundreds of gods and goddesses that are worshipped by different groups of people. Question number 6. The Indian state both keeps away from religion as well as intervene in religion. The idea can be quite confusing. Discuss this once again in class using example from the chapter as well as those that you might have come up with. Answer. The Indian state both keeps away from religion as well as intervene in religion. The central as well as state government declare holiday on the occasion of festival belonging to different religion, but no religion council is celebrated by any of the government. People of the country are free to celebrate this religious festival in their own way. However, the Indian state comes to intervene only if any religious practice disturbs the harmony of the country. If a section of the people belonging to the same religion are denied the right to enter their place of worship, then the state can intervene to resolve the issue and help the deprived section regain its rights. This is the end of this video. We will continue the next chapter in next video. If you have any doubt, please let us know. We will try to clear your doubts in another video. अगर आपको कोई संदेह है तो कृपया करके हमें बताइए। हम अगले वीडियो में आपके संदेह को दूर करने का प्रयास करेंगे।